Hey, welcome to another video from Gardening with Big Ben, and I'm Big Ben, of course. Today we're going to be dividing some Phormium, also known as New Zealand Flax, and this is one of my new arrivals here. And this process is done. It's very simple, and you can get multiple plants this way for your garden from just one purchase. You know, it's not recommended to a resale, but you know, nothing wrong with increasing your own plants in your garden for a low cost here. Now, the first thing I do when I do divide this particular grass is I look for the center. I look for basically a place I can take my soil knife, which here is, I got this from LeeValleyTools.com. This is made in Japan. I don't think they actually sell this particular one anymore, but this is an invaluable tool. You can see it's got a serrated edge here, and it's not super sharp, so you don't have to worry about cutting yourself accidentally. There are knives out there that will cut you. Now here, you see right here, I'm looking for the center of which I can get the blade through to divide this and get the most number of plants. So I'm looking right now, I think very much that looks like where I'm going to send the knife. So now that's one particular path. If I go this way, I can try another way, because I'm looking for minimal impact to the root ball. And actually, I'm going to probably go this way. See here, there's a nice little path right here. I can take the knife and go right down that brave here. Now, I always put a piece of cardboard down on my soil mat here so I don't puncture through, minimize the puncturing. So now we got this put through. You can see there's actually several plants in here that I could get out. Now, my goal for this particular division is to get 6 plus the mother plant out of here. So I'm going to have to be very particular. But here I'm going to tease this one here particularly loose. Here's one plant right there. It doesn't have much roots, but we're going to remove some of the, put them in our little trash bin there. So here's one right here. Technically it's actually 2, but I'm going to keep them as 1. Now I'm going to see what else I can get here. Now I see one here. I'm going to go ahead with a knife, and I'm going to see if I can just come through and cut through. So there's one right there, maybe a couple little loose guys here. I'm going to put that with this little bundle here of joy. So here's one good division right here. So far we got 2 divisions from here. Now here I'm just making the assessment in terms of what I'm going to cut next, because I want to get some more out of here. Now here's another point of interest here. It's okay to take your time while doing this. Now I'm going to take this. This is where I'm going to make the cut. Let's go straight here, and there we have another division right here. So far we have 3, and then actually this will be number 4. And actually, probably I'll make that the mother plant, the new mother plant. And here I'm going to make a division here, right down the center of these guys right here. Trying to line things up here. All right, so here we go. Slice away there. So we have 1, 2, 3. This is going to be put back into its original pot. So we have 1, 2, 3, and then we have, I'm going to take this one, tease it apart here. Know how to take the knife and do this very carefully. That's why this tool is so invaluable. All right, so these guys all have roots. That will be number 4. So 1, 2, 3, 4. number 5 right here, and the last one right here, number 6. What I do now is I just remove some of the roots here. I've already got some nice potting soil ready to go here, but I'm going to take some of the original potting soil at the bottom, and then I'm going to fill them with some fresh potting soil. Now I want this to be pretty much at the same level it was before. And you see right now we've got, this pretty much is what's like almost what we started with here. Here I'm just going to pull out some of these shoots here. Now I'm going to keep this in the shade of the greenhouse for a few days until it shows signs of recovery. We'll take a quick break and then I'll show you what the results is after we get everything else potted up. All right, and we're back. Now you see right now, these are the 6 divisions that I potted up here. The mother plant here is on the floor right here. And actually, if you want to know, this is called New Zealand Flax Evening Glow, Phormium Evening Glow. So that's a beautiful grass here, full sun. So all we gotta do now is water these and do our little cleanup. You know, nice thing about this potting tray made of plastic or whatever is once you're done, you can take it and slide your soil back into either your bag or to your pot. It's a great tool for saving a lot of potting soil, which can easily spill when you're transplanting and potting up divisions. Thank you for watching this video with me. I hope it's helpful for you. And thank you for growing with me on this channel with Gardening with Big Ben. Have a great day.